Yeah, there's a thing called the saturation index, which is just the ratio between a saturated fat like stearic acid and a polyunsaturated such as linoleic acid. And people with cancer have a higher polyunsaturation, lower saturation index.
But you're saying a saturated fat cell is still capable of producing estrogen?
Yeah, the cell which is more saturated is stabler and less likely to produce estrogen. But the more highly polyunsaturated fats are very closely connected with estrogen, so that the amount in the tissue and in circulation of say a 5 or 6 unsaturated fats, such as you find in fish oil and you produce with aging, these are closely associated with the level of estrogen stimulation.